Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld. We're here at the Hershey RV Show 2023.
And right behind us is Riverstone, and we're going to take you through every single new model and show you what's going on, so you better stay tuned.
Y'all know we love our Riverstone.
So we're going to be talking about the Riverstone 4513 DST. This is a toy hauler, a real toy hauler, not a garage model.
This is a brand new model. So we're going to start up front and just give you a quick tour of the outside here. Of course, we got our 240-pound propane tanks. This should be our pass-through.
Yep. It's pretty similar. It's got the little slide.
Those are bolted shut.
Oh, they're bolted shut, but the little slide stuff for getting inside, it looks like it's got the water manifold. We'll do that on the other side. We are on Industry Day. Let me give you a look at the side of this beauty right here. It is the Riverstone Legacy, and the colors are crazy, giving you that definite toy hauler electric feel.
Of course, we got the more ride steps, and they went to this glass door on the front of them.
It does have the camera up there. It's got plug-ins for out here.
It's got our outside TV.
Yep, got an outside TV, smart TV. And I'll tell you guys, this was optional when we bought it, so we didn't buy it. We bought the TV at Walmart because it saved us $1,400. But let me continue to show you.
There's our second. This is our toy doorway.
Come closer to. So here, Bob just said this is the toy doorway right here. Once again, we've got the glass door. We've got the Moride steps that go up into it. And these are the ones I believe that fold up into it.
Yeah. Gee,
so.
And they're powered. Where did those come from? They're power locked.
So let's get to the exciting part of the Riverstone, which is the toy hauler version. I mean, check out that door.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's one of their first models with the full toy department.
We'll take you on this side over here. Of course, it's got the backup camera up there, the lights.
Our 50 amp hookup.
Yep.
We've got our gas, so you can fill up your toys.
Yep.
You got your 230 gallon tanks.
Yep. And then once again, I want to take you down and show you how beautiful this is.
This is a 3-axle, but it's not the independent suspension, it's leaf spring.
Got a big slide right here. We're in between campers here, guys. So
here's the back end of your furnace.
yep.
Looks like they're still using Truma water heater.
Truma water heaters are awesome. If you don't RV yet and you're thinking about it, that is what you want, is that on-demand hot water heater.
Here's your wet bay and your on the other side of your pass.
So this is a little different from us. Has a wet bay, has a blue filter already in it. And then this is the other side of the pass-through. And it's hard to see a little bit, but this is actually a water manifold like we have in ours right now. We're kind of in between RVs here. Battery component.
Up to put 4 batteries up there if you need them.
Are they still are those the regular batteries?
That's just a regular battery.
Okay.
Simple one.
Definitely think about getting at least 2 lithium batteries just to make things easier. You don't have the whole caboodle full.
And then here's your tag here.
Okay.
Your weights and stuff. This one's got 3 8,000-pound axles. That's 24,000 total gross pounds. And it looks like our carrying capacity is 5,006 or 5,009 pounds.
All right, so
the dry weight is 18,415, so this is a big monster here.
it's a big monster, the big girl. So once again, they got the stuff to kind of help protect you. So they've got a different
inverter generator. So they got all your hydraulics up here in the front, which we like because ours is buried in our basement.
Yeah, so that is nice and clear. And then what type of hitch? It's a Rotaflex.
It's a Kurt. It's like ours, but ours is the old Lippert pot Kurt. They went to the Kurt.
The new version.
Yeah. So it's
So-
a Rotaflex.
I think now we're going to take you inside and I will show you the inside. So let's see if this home is right for you guys. It's got the automatic lock, so you don't have to worry about having a key. So it is like a standard toy hauler. So when you come in, you've got your theater seating, you've got your little things for snacks and wine, you've got more theater seating over here, and then you've got a kitchen. So the kitchen encompasses, of course, the TV, the fireplace, and then the stove. It does have a 4-burner stove, or cooktop, which is nice. And then,
Yeah, it's got the Insignia model.
yeah, it's a pretty big oven. It's got the Samsung convection microwave oven. They've got it taped up so I can't open it. So over here, we do have, oh, they probably got it close to the dishwasher. And then it does have a good amount of storage through here. And it's got the 2 sides of the sink, which is very nice. And your fridge is right across the way.
Yeah, it looks like they stuck with Samsung on that.
So this is going to be your standard living area where most things are going to happen. Otherwise, you're going to have a bathroom, a bedroom, and this. So let's show you guys this. We've got a glass door. This is the toy hauler area.
Yeah, and this one here, they have it in carpet, so you can set it up for a living room. Here's your exterior door. Here's your drop-down porch door.
Yep. So it's really nice because it's got screens, so you can have the deck down and have fun, but then you can also close it off. It's got a fold-up table over there, and it does give you a see-through window to the other side and a TV. And then, of course, this is the Happy Jack.
Yeah, the Happy Jack system that gives you 2 different beds and a seating area.
What we're not able to show you or tell you right now is complete specific details because we cannot find anyone to give us any flyers right now. But we are going to find out the information and it will all be part of this video.
Well, we know it's 45 foot long.
Don't walk into the glass door like Bart just did. So let's check out the bathroom. Oh no, Bob. No, not that one.
It's got the infinity light.
Ah! Don't look, you'll be sucked away. All right, so it's got the little drawers in the stairs.
Yep.
And then,
Yeah, our electrical connections are there.
and it's got a BM Pro Connect Smart RV system. There we go. And it looks like the
That's
hot
the-
water heater
That's for the
is
trim.
here. And the trim.
That's for the inverter. So
Yep.
it's still got GoPro power.
These little things here, in case you don't know, are sensors for the air conditioner so they can sense the temperature. So I'm going to let Bob open the door and take us into the
I'll
bathroom.
take you in the bathroom here. We got our elongated porcelain toilet.
Which is very important.
They do have an upgraded shower feature, which is really nice. It's got a new, it looks like almost like a laminate on the walls here instead of that individual stuff where they were was pulling away in a lot of campers. Of course, it's got the floor, it's got the drain off to the side.
It's got cabinet storage up here.
It does have a nice medicine cabinet.
And then it's got towel cabinets over there. So it's got more storage than what you think. Don't discount your RV, storage, because people think they need so much storage. So welcome to the bedroom. Come on in. We've got a TV. We've got plenty of storage. We do have the old washer dryer right here.
Yep.
And then they do have a closet over here for closet space.
Yeah, you all know with the Riverstone, this stuff all comes in automatic. You get the washer dryer, you get the dishwasher.
Yeah.
So
There's very few things that you can opt out of.
It's got a very large closet space.
The flooring itself seems to be kind of like a tile.
They got a little nook here, just
the storage.
giving you some extra space. Everything's soft close on the doors.
Well, they do have some side cabinets here.
This please be a king bed. It does have end tables on it.
It does have the windows on the side that you said you would like to have, but that's because I think the bed is sideways, right?
Yeah, this is east-west, where ours is north-south.
Yeah. So the flooring seems to be the stone look.
Yep.
The stone feel. So when you go to Riverstone, remember they always give you different options as far as color of cabinets, flooring, possibly some other things.
Yeah, it's one of the manufacturers. You do get some minor changes you can make before your unit's built. If you buy one if you actually order one and don't have it bought off the property.
So there's no air in here, so we're obviously sweating, but this Riverstone is beautiful.
Yep.
I definitely think that you should take a look at it, look for more videos, more future stuff. We're going to be posting a bunch of stuff more on our Instagram and Facebook page, just giving you information on this and all the other Riverstone products that are here.
Yeah, if you're into a toy hauler, check out the Riverstone because they're new on the market with this toy hauler. And we're going to take you through the garage model next, which is like ours, but it's the upgraded model.
Yeah.
So you'll get a feel for the garage versus the actual toy hauler. So if you got a bigger toy, you need more space,
Yeah.
or you got multiple toys, this is your unit.
So you have to remember these videos are going to be rough. They'll be edited just as little as they have to be because I want to get them up as soon as possible. So this video we're doing very special for our dear friends,
Chris and Angie.
Yep. We love you guys. If you have more questions, let us know because we're here for the week. This video was meant to be short and quick.
Yep, we're just walking through, kind of showing you the models, giving you updated features, and that's the skinny.
So we want you to like, subscribe, smash up that notification bell. Bob would like you to.
Give us your comments.
Remember, we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our world.
Bye!